This video will show you how to restore app data on your iPhone in 3 ways. Part 1. How to restore app data on iPhone from iCloud Backup. If you've enabled iCloud Backup, your iPhone automatically backs up app data when connected to Wi-Fi and charging. You can restore this backup during device setup to recover lost app content. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Tap Erase all content in Settings to factory reset your device. Step 3. Set up your iPhone and choose Restore from iCloud Backup when prompted. Step 4. Sign into your Apple ID and choose a relevant backup that contains your app data. Step 5. Wait for the restore to complete. Your apps and associated data will reappear. Part 2. How to recover app data on iPhone from iTunes Backup. If you've backed up your iPhone to your computer using iTunes or Finder, you can restore the entire backup, including app data, from there. However, this method will overwrite all data on the current device and does not allow for the recovery of data from a specific app. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer where your iTunes or Finder backup is stored. Step 2. Open iTunes Windows Macos Mojave or earlier or Finder Macos Catalina or later. Step 3. Click your device icon, then go to the Summary tab. Step 4. Click Restore Backup. Step 5. Choose a backup and click Restore. Enter the password if the backup is encrypted. Step 6. Wait for the process to complete, and your iPhone will reboot with app data restored. Part 3. How to restore deleted app data on iPhone without backup. iPhone data recovery allows you to scan your device and retrieve deleted app data even without a backup. In addition, unlike the official method, you can restore individual app data from iPhone. Step 1. Launch the program on your computer after downloading. Then connect your iPhone to the PC with a USB cable. After that, select the Recover from iOS device mode and click the Start Scan button to scan the files on your iPhone. Step 2. Wait for a while till the scanning process is complete. Then you can preview all the files from your iPhone, including the deleted ones and existing ones. Step 3. Visit the app photos, app videos, app audio, app documents, WhatsApp attachments, or any other file folders to preview and select the desired app files, then click the Recover button to restore and save them on your computer.